how are you? I hope you are doing well. So today I want to go over fundamentals because usually we go ahead and we utilize the technical portion of trading, which is where we do a top-down analysis and see what's going on the markets most definitely. But we want to go ahead and look at what's going on in the news, what's on the economic calendars, so that we can become more profitable utilizing this information as well. And two, it'll help us become more profitable because if something's going to take place or the market shifts in some way, we will be knowledgeable of it, all right? And so here on Forex Factory, and as you see here, you have the website forexfactory.com. You can go here and you can look at the news here. Just press that tab and it'll tell you everything that's going on currently in the markets, all right? So you can be aware. Like here it says GBP/USD, which is the British pound sterling, and the US dollar, bulls tested at critical daily support. So it's just giving you some information there. And so monthly treasury statement. And so what's driving or soaring US inflation. So you do see that you have so much information here that you can take in consideration when you are trading. And then let's go to the calendar here. So this economic calendar, so you can see what's going on, what's supposed to take place, if it will have an impact on your trading for that day. All right, so one of the things I want to look at is the economic calendar for the month. So usually on the first Friday of the month, you want to be knowledgeable of the non-farm payroll, all right? And so you want to see that because it actually is released at 8:30 a.m. Eastern Standard Time. And so this usually has a great impact on trading because the market becomes so volatile that prices will spike upward, downward, bullishly, bearishly, sideways, like the market goes crazy, right? So you want to make sure that you know what's going to take place in the markets on that day. So if you're trading and say there is an uptrend, all right, say it's an uptrend and you're trading one of the pairs with say GPB/USD or something like that. And so it does affect the US dollar. Let me go back to that. So the non-farm payroll does affect the US dollar, right? And so something happens on that day where, hey, prices are like, it's trending bearishly, all right? And then all of a sudden this hits and say that the US dollar is affected by this and say that negative change there makes the British pound sterling spike upwardly, all right? Or something of that nature. But you're like, hey, it was trending down and all of a sudden it's spiking upward. So you want to make sure that you know what's going on that day so you'll know how to trade, all right? And placing those stop losses will most definitely assist you in doing that, all right? Which is really wonderful. Basically, you really want to stick closely to the news and the calendar, these two tabs, so that you will be able to know how to utilize it when you're doing your fundamentals for the market, most definitely. And so this was just a really short, quick video just to give you some information so you can make sure you have this under your belt so that you can become a profitable trader, most definitely, and you will have those safeguards in your life when it comes to trading so you won't be sideswiped or something happens and you're like, oh my gosh, why did that happen? Because Fridays, most definitely the first Friday of the month, when you do have that non-farm payroll, can be monster, most definitely. And you want to make sure you, again, set your stop losses on those days if you're trading because it is very volatile on those days, okay? That's the first Friday of every month, all right? And so you want to make sure you safeguard your account, all right? All right, so it's been a beauty. I hope you all are doing well. Yeah, so see you on the next video. Have a good one.